Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today Saturday, September 16th, 2023. It is 5:14 and 52 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, melanoma. So let's jump to it here. New insights into melanoma development and therapy, date September 5th, 2023. Source, Osaka University. Researchers have revealed that the expression of a specific isoform of CREB1 IS4 is induced in malignant melanoma cells by the melanocyte-specific transcription factor MITF. They revealed that CREB1 IS4 stimulates pyrimidine biosynthesis and promotes cancer cell proliferation. Furthermore, the anti-tumor effect of antisense nucleic acids against CREB1 showed a potential new modality for malignant melanoma. And to investigate the mechanisms by which CREB1 IS4 is induced in malignant melanoma and involved in its growth, the research group used a mouse model of malignant melanoma and human clinical samples to comprehensively demonstrate that induction of CREB1 IS4 expression by MITF transcription factor is important in malignant melanoma development and prognosis. The subsequent analysis revealed the pathway by which CREB1 activation leads to melanoma cell proliferation. Generally, cancer cells are characterized by their repeated uncontrolled proliferation, and chemotherapy has traditionally been used to suppress cell proliferation by inhibiting the nucleic acids synthesis. In this study, the research group demonstrated that CAG, the rate-limiting enzyme for pyrimidine synthesis, is a binding protein for CREB1 IS4, and CREB1 IS4 is essential for pyrimidine synthesis in malignant melanoma by biochemical and metabolomic analysis. And furthermore, the results of this study are of social significance because CREB1 IS4 has been shown to be a therapeutic target in malignant melanoma, and antisense oligonucleic acids against CREB1 are expected to become new therapeutic agents in the future. This highly significant study reveals that mechanisms directly responsible for the execution of cell proliferation, such as nucleic acid synthesis, control cancer cell development and proliferation, and indicated new methods of melanoma treatment in the future. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.